Don't you bite me. Don't you bite Grandma. No, sir. Yeah, that's right. You better chew on that caterpillar. Get away from me. I don't care, Mr. Attitude. Don't bite Granny. I don't care. I don't care. Back up. Get out of my face. You got an attitude problem. Back up. Quit biting your grandma. Mean ass.
She's the one targeting outcasts. It could be her next victim.
Don't be telling my pillar up because you're mad. Back up. Ow! Back up, Copper. Get out of my face. Out of my face. Ow. Get back. You're getting on my nerves. I don't want to hear no mouth. Yeah, that's right. Get your caterpillar. Talk shit to it. Leave your granny alone. Squeak away. Back up. Back up, Mr. Attitude. You better go tell somebody else about it. I ain't the one. No.
You have a beautiful voice.
Copper. Yeah, get your caterpillar. Leave me alone. Get over there.
But I did reach out to my mother. She's very.
Are you done?
She likes to manipulate every
Are you done?
situation, and I refuse to
Don't you bite Granny.
Well, look around you, Mrs. Adams. This is what Nevermore is about.
think you could maybe set aside your differences